y'all see my story yesterday where my pool overflowed? I finally got up the reinforced plastic, only to walk out here yesterday and this whole thing was underwater. Story of my life. But now I am trying to figure out how to lower the water level in this damn pool, and I don't have a sump pump or anything. I can't figure out how to work the valves. I've been talking to ChatGPT all morning. Clearly you can see that my hair is 4 times the size that it normally is. But this is where we are, and I cannot afford for this thing to overflow again. So I've got a water hose in here, and I'm sticking it on the return. So, in case you're looking for me, and I broke my tripods the other day. I'm soaked. This is where I'm gonna be. Sticking it on the return. Does anybody have any ideas?